Let me hurry up. So. Oh, wait. Okay. Asked me if he could borrow a dress, but he's like, I don't want.
Keep going.
I know.
Woo! See?
Do it again. Get that?
No, put on video.
Only nerds get sick. Oh my god, I'm sick.
I'm going around 2 times. Okay, sneeze. Achoo! Achoo!
Let me hurry up. So. Oh, wait. Okay. I think I need to sneeze.
Hey there, Copper. What you
Okay,
Oh, I have to sneeze. The allergies.
Give me his plate, your husband's plate. Give me your husband's plate.
Bless you, bless you. God bless you, God bless you. God bless you.
How food time?
It's because you inhaled all that pepper.
Say horseshit.
You might want to wash that napkin separately than all the rest.
Okay, I think it's done.